Welcome back to our channel. If you love cooking and entertaining, you know that organization is key in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen dining racks, showcasing our top 5 picks that combine functionality and style. Whether you have a small space or a sprawling kitchen, these racks are designed to maximize your storage while keeping your dishes easily accessible. From sleek modern designs to rustic charm, we'll explore features, benefits, and tips on how to choose the perfect dining rack for your home. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on elevating your kitchen game. 1Easylife drying rack, metal 3-tier large capacity dish rack with utensil holder. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the 1Easylife 3-tier dish rack. This spacious metal rack accommodates plates, bowls, and cups with ease, featuring a dedicated utensil holder for added convenience. Its durable, rust-proof design and efficient drainage system keep your kitchen dry and clutter-free, ideal for large families and busy kitchens. This 3-tier oversinked dish rack is a game-changer for maximizing counter space. Its durable stainless steel build holds dishes, utensils, and even pots with ease, keeping your kitchen organized and tidy. The adjustable design fits most sinks, and the water drainage feature keeps your countertop clean and dry, perfect for efficiency and style. Transform your kitchen with this 3-tier over-the-sink dish drying rack, providing extra storage and a clutter-free countertop. With space for dishes, utensils, and even cutting boards, it's perfect for any busy kitchen. Its durable, rust-proof design ensures it lasts, while maximizing every inch of space above your sink. Small dish drying rack, compact dish rack sink drying rack with silicone mat. This compact dish drying rack is perfect for small kitchens, offering efficient storage without taking up space. It includes a silicone mat that protects counters from drips and ensures fast drying. Sturdy and rust resistant, it's an ideal solution for daily dish drying. Enjoy functionality and style with this space-saving dish rack. Dish drying rack, large stainless steel over-the-sink dish rack with cover. Upgrade your kitchen with this large stainless steel dish drying rack. Its over-the-sink design saves counter space, while the sturdy cover keeps dishes protected and organized. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, it's built for durability and style, making it a must-have for busy kitchens.